Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back, it's Steve. Happy Saturday. I wanted to do a quick video to let you guys know I have a new project coming out. Last year I did my iMovie tutorial and I also did Vlog Every Day in April. This year I'm going to go through my Sony a7 III settings and find some of the trickier ones and then teach you guys how to use them. So pretty much anything I feel like you guys have been searching YouTube on how to do, or things that maybe I didn't know how to do when I first got this camera, I'll teach you how to do it. So I hope to get that first video maybe out to you this weekend, if not maybe next week. But that's my news. That's what I'm going to try to do for you all. So anyone who has a Sony a7 III or probably a Sony Alpha camera, maybe before the Sony a7 IV, because I think that has a new user interface, you might want to follow and subscribe and like some videos because they might be able to help you. So on that note, I will see you on the next video. Peace, guys.